Hey friends, with Deepavali just round the corner, here are 4 amazing and awesome DIYs that I've made. Let's see how I make them here on my channel. Welcome back to Matt's World of Passion. So in this first DIY, I've made use of these pizza box covers that usually are not so thick and are very easy to hang them on the wall when you convert them to some nice DIY. So here I've cut them in 16 by 16 as a size that I've taken here in a square shape, and I'm coloring them, each of them in different colors. Here I've used red, maroon, purple and green, and then I've made use of these stencils which I think this one I bought online. I'll try to share a link in the description box if I find them. This stencil brush and another stencil that I've used later is from Itsy Bitsy. I'll try to share the link of all the products used in the description box, and also you can use my coupon code which is displayed on the screen right now. If you want to buy anything from Itsy Bitsy online, you would get an extra 5% discount. Now here again, if you do not want to use stencils, if you're good at mandala art, you can draw some amazing mandala patterns on them and use it the same way that I've used in here. If you see here, I've made these newspaper rolls which I'll be coloring in black color and creating beautiful border, and also making use of the same in creating a certain pattern. And yeah, one more thing here again, you don't have to create the pattern the way I've done. You can actually keep it separated as well. It would equally look good. But I wanted to try something different, so I have made an effort to make something unique. So here now also there are two ways you can stick this newspaper. One, if your cardboard is thick enough, then you can do it from the side of the cardboard, or you can just do the way I've shown in the picture here. I have stuck it from on the top as well. In that case, you have to leave some space in the side before you start doing your mandala or stencil art. And also you have another option to attach any figurines here if you have with you which are less weight, and it can stand very easily on these cardboard, so you can make use of that as well. So it's one more option for you if you want to try. Since it's a festive decor, I'm making use of these glass mirrors and just creating a border as such. And these lamps, I'm just wrapping them around sellotapes, which is in silver color. And this is how it finally looks. Isn't it just beautiful? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Now for the second DIY, I'm making use of these thick cardboard and crepe paper, and I'm creating a mixture of fevicol and water, and with the help of which I would be sticking these crepe papers to the um, waste cardboard. Now here the size of the cardboard is totally up to you. Here I've used a 6 by 6 centimeter cardboard. Now if you all noticed, I created a little wrinkle on the crepe paper while I was sticking them on the cardboard. It was actually done intentionally so that it looks a little rustic and real, and is not that smooth and clean. So here I'm using mirrors in different shapes to stick to two different cardboards, and even the colors I've used are different. But again, the choice is yours. You can use the same color and same mirror shapes to create these amazing tea light holders. And guys, honestly, not because that I have made this, but it was actually looking very beautiful, and even the guests who came home actually appreciated this one. I hope you all liked it too. Now in this third DIY, I'm making use of this oval shaped MDF cutout, which is something that I wanted to do. But yes, you can take a round shaped one or even the square one as well. It's totally your choice. And with the help of which I'm making a unique tea light holder. Now in the center, I mark the tea light holder and I just check if it fits in properly, and I stick the white pearl around it. I make use of the thermocol balls. Now here I've made use of green, light pink and dark pink color as the shades, but again you can choose any color of your choice. Now for the 1/4 part of this, I'm using this pink shimmer. I don't know what you call this, but I'm using this dust and cover the sides as well. And in the center, I'm using the silver colored shimmer, and I'm sticking them with the help of this Fevicol water that I'd used earlier. Now this is one of the most unique tea light holders you must have seen, so I hope you all liked it. Now for this last and final DIY, I'm making use of these tissue paper rolls and I cut them in 3 different heights like this. And then I take a waste cardboard and make a circular shape just to fit in the 3 tissue paper rolls on them and cover them with the masking tape. Now I color each of them in different colors. One is royal blue, pink and orange, and the base with black color just as shown. Take 3 cardboard cuttings like this from a thin biscuit cover and also color them with the same colors which I've used for the tissue paper roll and stick them on top of this. But before you stick these rolls to the base, you can add some embellishments on it like the mirrors or golden embroidery tapes like this, and then finally stick it to the base. And this is how it finally looks. Guys, I hope you have all liked today's DIY, and if you're recreating any of them, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram account. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Deepavali. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.